Nollywood actress Bimbo Ademoye took the AMVCA award to her dad on the street of Meta. The funny Ademoye, in her usual style, went back to her family house and appreciated her dad for grooming and supporting her throughout her Nollywood journey. Bimbo lost the Best Female Act to Osasi Godaro, but won the Best Comedic Female Act in the year under review. This is the first AMVCA for the beautiful actress, and fans are saying it is the first of many. Is Bimbo Ademoye the funniest actress in Nigeria?